Alright, what's going on? We're getting some golfers with the blowhorn. Gonna get tossed off. We'll hopefully get called on by the cops, but we'll see how it goes.
So Eric threw like 20 golf balls on the course. Can't tell which one's theirs.
We're not breaking the fence.
What's up? You know we're calling the clubhouse, right?
Yeah. We're just scouting right now.
Okay, just happen to be honking right when everyone's teeing up.
That was
What's a bird?
the bird.
Yeah, we're calling the clubhouse.
Things, dude, the things we do to see this bird, I swear. Hey, you two boys. Hey, you two. Come with me, please. You two. Hey, you there with the bird? All right, come here. You two. I'm with the DNR. Hey, you. Come here, please. Excuse me. I'm with the DNR. I'm here to get you two out of here, buddy. Come on, fun's over.